Museveni ejukajuliza aba parliament bakamutambutira bagamba ibire sente billions 30 sente zali zimuhaibwa ku developing a vaccine ya COVID-19 abakola sini bakulwa MP yona musinguzo wa Ntungamo is it ya bakamutabukira batandika kumuserurizawo na parliament yabaha a go ahead to continue investigating about this minister, but Museveni is pleading for this honorable Musenero, saying no, Musenero no, that one should stop. I'm going to find out. Museveni agambira kakisange Musenero bakumuhangira agambira kufa n'omuntu kujibijibiri nyenda muntu nakutunganya mulingo nkogo. So at my home there is a girl called Letitia. Kala kaisiki nokakora musango kamanyire kutongana nikagwihamu toli kasingisa musango no one. I'm telling you, there are people who are gifted. So Museveni is I think safe if the president can plead. Hala abasigazi mbubamuleju babakwasire bwene bayibise bisoko linansana yinkya kara bete basigazi mbayire kalo musigazi yinkya kara okayitira agere kweli kulekigu abatembere jaka na hanule jaka myaka 22 years and you climb a tree 22 years. I think inakuwa njara 22 years mujja tembere jaka saa ibiri kandi saa ibiri mitemba nikiyaterera wano tembo mutoli yasanka munana hakamukire. So kutemba muti hali miteterera teja gwire hansi no kutabati vyo chatu kyatemba muti muntu ukamiro mulejo. You don't have to abuse those beards by climbing trees. So Saja free no kutabuza tatabuiza mwire murundo ogu. But you know we have mighty, so very unfortunate for that old man. Talikele mwana hatono baina kumzika nexiki muntu wofa group za future bano wa BTV iyo tubaliza mwanzo okulabi ya irembo bakulabi ya kanyuma. So bakulabi ya kanyuma kana temwana tukamurora ngitinga ya gaba butizi but so bakulabi ya kanyuma na kunanga byo kugenda kuli kisirano botaina mugaso munzo. In fact muntu bofuta zaire bakulabi ya kubi muno. Ati future bofuta ombekere rundi bakakuteka mu yaso tibali hembo muro omuyembo ya cultures lebanyoro nyeka bwafa bahemba o ekyoto otirekire no mulyango kandi nyina bwenge bwafa bahembaho harba jari bije bina kumanya that's culture y'abanyoro. So it communicates a lot. Okay, heavy deployment in Nakaseke after second explosion ebomu yakanda Nakaseke hulikire kanda ati batwaira mahe bayungwira bare na bagofu UPDF Joint Anti-Terrorism Task Force JAT CMY Chief Transformation Intelligence ISO babasensere kuri Nakaseke ebomu yakandi obwehulikirege. What is this? So this is the second blast in a period of only 10 days. Bomu kazafoka bomu. Minister orders reduction in internet prices. This one has just told you. And government assures German investors of incentives. Government German investors again acquire incentives. Things do like emisoro, majakuba have tax waivers, majakuba hereza masanyarazi gabusa to come and invest. MP's question, Deputy Speaker, over delayed consideration of NSSF bill. As you are aware, halekiragire kikuletwa omuntu the moment you are 45 years of age and you have saved with National Social Security Fund for around 10 years, you qualify to get your savings by 20%. So ekirero kino bakakigarukamu baitu kiyali kulabiko parliament wakola sijyo wengine bayijja kubi Deputy Speaker parliament mugambo haki what are you up to. Ibikandi bikyali bityo and will select parliamentary committee to probe use of COVID-19 vaccine development funds. Akatebe bakakomere akabira kusoza Dr. Monica Musenero akatebe kano bakakomereho akakura bakumweta Xavier Kioma mwikiri kajja kwa kalesera reporter kandi akatebe kana banda bakayikaraho. Halo Aisha Kabanda, Paulo Mara, Tony Awani, Hamna Solomon Silwinyi, bantu President Museveni awoningire. Ebyo kandi nibikyali bityo. Uganda Railways Corporation boss held over 48 billion locomotives deal. Abakuru b'ekitongole kya Uganda Railways Corporation omukuru wakyo bamubingire bakumweta omukuru ono bayina bamweta bata omusajja onakura Uganda Railways bamukwase n'okumukwata as a talk ali mu nkomo. Omukuru nakwasibwa biragiro ebya Minister Fred Byamukama wabwangayizi hano State Minister for Transport obasibwa kumweta to mu Kimera akafereza government ensimbi billions bajana batire cent billions makumi ana plus yagure locomotives ebifu kuruga South Africa ebinyakujunzire era bamugambire locomotives yawe twala kuli we don't want mahubi agatire timu Uganda ya Cranes kino kino egenda kwanesamu mpira hamu na timu ya Kenya. Uganda bwekusinga kikwani kimanyisa Uganda bwekusinga mpira guno chances zokusamu African Cup of Nations zigenda kuba zeyongeize. Omugurusi Samuel Beka Kasibwa mbaye mbagambira radio ono musajja akasamu mpira myaka ya 15 akaba star owa timu ya Uganda Cranes. So Samuel Beka Kasibwa no bali mwirwano mulago stroke mteile musajja ono wasali zo mwaitu kuli, and he's my friend. I've just been talking with him this morning and he was telling me Oruba General Saraire omusajja nakolebya fayo timu ya Cranes ya Uganda kagenda mu London kusamba mpira busumbo timu ya kabi muno uyasambikize kaji renkaito ne mwijja kuya gijoram on Beka Kasibwa omusajja wano yakwata kusamba mpira yasara bajungu bona bagwa basinzika na tebe golo Beka akabali Emily Smith Rowe emyaka egyo akabatali bano ba green hula mwezo abujo level ya Emily Smith Rowe ali mu level ya kana kojoka ketabata kana kojoka Arsenal kana kojoka nda Bukayo Saka akabatali level za bakabali zino kabani menya kabani Pogba bakutana no kutana so akabali mu level za Emily Smith Rowe so musajja na 10 akandi akiyendere government yagambira bebayireki kulema kumujanja bashale agambira Saka gikore mijulingi no baita kunena mu yale government kulema kumwijuka so atirimu ne namba yesimu enamba yesimu agiteremu yo muntu okusobola kwata kasento kamwirukira esimeri 0786 mwenda 3 mukaga 5 8 0786 mwenda 3 mukaga 5 8 0786 mwenda 3 mukaga 5 8 nanyo nusindikire mitoro 10 nyaruka kusindika ukanda ko nanyo nukungali cyari ne mitoro 10 intekanizera ndabya mu weekend egawe ukagihereze Samuel Beka Kasibwa arabera hacho. If you're watching me murano tuchinga okusobola genda ati simu yawe no sindika message hano njakuba ninsobora okusomera message en live and clear. You can send me a message if you live. Okay. Okay. Mr. Peter, they're telling me there is too much echo in sound, so that echo, Mr. Peter, should be checked. Okay. There is echo. Okay, you can. Okay, you can send me a message. You can send me a message right now. Channel Vitano Satnemu, and for you, abanyakuri Facebook. If you're on Facebook, okusobola genda no streaming live. Genda Bunyoro TV Uganda. Bunyoro TV Uganda. Bunyoro TV Uganda wajakwano tunga program you can tunga kurungi Bunyoro television channel daily monitor truth every day yubo statistics ingiranya kwa ingire niwe minister of finance Matia Kasaija abakwasira hankona abanyakubingira ni Dr. Albert Yamugisha halimu Dr. Deo Dr. Robert Wamala board member banda bakwasira hankona habokwiba obukumbutiti obuhoroko obuhihi obusinsimizi obunyampinga obwasente koti ya bulu esera Bishop Stephen Kazima Mugalo agenda bitebye kurungi habokoma kwa Bishop of Northern Uganda Diocese akaruru kabizaire anyakoye Dimasa King's College budo musajja omukyali afire segiri nasawanyana loya wabo Shamimu Malende agambira obwomezi buli mukati abagonza kumwita Shamimu Malende niwe woman MP wa Kampala agabiwa kubafe natonganira Seginya hamuna sewanyana ebyo bisanga muri popular olwa daily monitor truth every day. Yes, President Sena tonganira mukazi Dr. Monica Musenero yagamba abanyayuganda abayibara tibasima Musenero takusemera gambwaho ono mukazi no it can be any other person but not Dr. Monica Musenero. This I cannot allow. His Excellency President Museveni ojja kuba otumikira message tweka message n'olaba simu 07883 kandi kubasabira ekiro kirungi n'ebiro bibiri mukutahamu mubikoremu sente. You must be innovative, don't just sit and wait. Sente zikuja kusanga lwekalire, you must kuyiya and make money. Okay, abaisuma bakambwe abanyakwera batigomya abanansana babakwasire mbano hano kandi bakiwiroho aggravated robbery. That's a very terrible offense. Bakamale owabuddo omusajja onafiire kooti eyerekerese ginasobanira bagenda kutereka kutongana abamasomero tubamatire n'ekiragiro kya banka looni zaabo bagambye looni zikyagenda maiso n'okubatonga. This is terrible. President jaragirege Governor Bank of Uganda aragirege looni zirekera banka zirekera okubanja ababanka bakubanja kandi bangira bakamba amasomero barekera okubanja kagwireyo amasomero babanze bemereze looni bayito banka zigenze no maiso n'okubanja kandi zigande ebyo tubasobola kubantu babikiriza bo bakwenda sente zaabo. Empira egenda kuba nesambwa Germany, egenda kuba nesamba na Liechtenstein, Greece egenda kuba nesamba na Spain, Slovakia egenda na Syria. Ane empira egenda kuba nesambwa Turkey Ethiopia egenda kuba nesamba na Ghana omu qualifiers World Cup, and then Tanzania egenda kuba nesamba na Namibia, Rwanda egenda kusamba na Mali, Benin egenda kusamba na Madagascar, and then Togo egenda kusamba na Senegal, egenda kusamba na Slovakia egenda kusamba na Slovenia, Ghana kwairege kandi Kenya. If you're watching okusa ku ntere simo ja kulaba ha 0 732200. You can call me right now. I'll put you live on air. 0782 732200 0 munana ibiri nsanju na isatu ibiri 00. I'm just giving a chance to only two callers. Yes, good morning. Someone is online. Okay. Yes, hello. Ogambo baba. Kurungi bambo no Douglas.
Ono mugungo ngerere biso mugungo obiwa ubisali.
Oh, mugungo lote mseje.
Ndi kurungi bambo.
Biso buli kurungi.
Biso tuli kurungi.
Mugungo ki?
Kyo muhenda saheri.
Kyo muhenda li kurungi.
Burazo
baguma kumanya afande. Muri mutabugungu. We're watching Abudiro TV. Okay, thank you. Atukuja kutekereza. We shall settle. We're watching. Thank you. We are sorry for some man. Don't be me. You can call me 0782 73 2200. Someone is in Blissa. 0 Msanju Munana Ibiri. Nsanju na isatu abiri na ibiri 00. I'm just pinging 2-3 callers. 0 Msanju Munana Ibiri Nsanju na isatu abiri na ibiri 00. Okay. Okay.
Omuchalo mufumbo nawo wa hoteli wekwate Sahara Muchuzi Mix ojja kukola tering me baby. Sahara Muchuzi Mix kawoma kalina kawowo kakola gravy baba. Oli wa hoteli obogula kamukamu akanzali Sahara Muchuzi Mix kali mu maduka ne supermarkets zonna mu ggwanga. Bwayagala okusubula Sahara Muchuzi Mix jangu ku Magi Traders mu Kikubo edduka namba 15 Vinco Arcade. Hatanno jukira nti ffe tukola ne Sahara tangawizi tea eranga kati yafune Mako kuva mu UNBS kakaso mutindo kubesimu noti musanvu noti nya 598 526 akanzali Sahara Muchuzi Mix kawoma baba.
Liberty Institute of Business and Media Studies.
Success, nothing else.
It has been proven beyond doubt. Kuraba Liberty Institute okuboli mu line ya success. Bakakibaza kandi bakikora. Akaire niko kanuko kutarabwa homugisa go kusoma masomo gano. Business Studies, Purchasing and Supplies Management, Marketing, Accountants and Finance, Business Administration and Management, Journalism and Media Studies, Cosmetology and Hairdressing, Secretarial Studies and Information Management, Hotel Institutional Catering, Record and Information Management, Project Planning and Management, Business, Public Administration and Management, Social Work and Social Administration, Human Resource Management, Entrepreneurship and Business Management, Information Technology, Tailoring, Knitting, Hairdressing, tuwera n'omugisa guno gw'okusoma short courses nka Computer Repair and Maintenance, Filming and Editing, Computer Package. Kandi oba masomo gano goonaho okugezesa haruhu. Somera ha Liberty Institute oturuke n'ebipapuro ebihimbire kilo za future yawe yona. Bakora ebizamu bya UBTEB na DIT. Kandi bayina UBTEB Center. Ebizamu ne babikora asomera honyine busaho kuzunga. Haba diploma egumire hamwe na certificate. Kurabo mbasomesa abamaani n'ebikwate byetagisa. Kukufuure kyotabayire. Library, Computer Laboratory, Production Studio, Photo Studio, a Demonstration Hotel, Stonebridge Generator, amaizi masanyalazi. Niendya nungi muno haba ba boarding. Liberty Institute of Business and Media Studies. Nesangwe Muhona Municipality. Enyuma yekikari kyomuka Harukurato Road nokyahingura offices za Human Rights. Ebikiraho teresimu 0 mwenda 5 300 rundi 0 nkaga na munana kenda na munana 0 mukaga.
Oine business yawe, oine ebyokutunda rundi oine ebyokukora kyona ekwakwetagire abantu bamanye. Bunyoro TV turoho leta business yawe ogitere abantu maiso. Ija orange naitwa muhendo ogokengangana tuli ha chombeko kya Liberty Broadcasting Services harugudo orukujja Fort Potro opposite Centenary Bank Hoima omukampala tuli kamo Chachira Road oba twikira simu zaitu zinu 0 kenda na 5 5 oba 0 kaga na munana chenda na munana 0 mukaga oba 0 kinana na ina nkaga nemu ana na mwenda oba twikire ha email yaitu nokwesa Bunyoro Television sales@gmail.com.
So deep, but my love is real. And she could come manye how I feel. And no love very real. The city muga kanyonga so deep, but my love is real. And she could come manye how I feel. When no love very real. The way you whine when you make a big man cry. The candy so cool when I put at the cost by. Girl, me no lie. I'll never say bye bye. So one bona misu wakulu kutanga musai. The way you whine when you make a big man cry. The candy so cool when I put at the cost by. Girl, me no lie. I'll never say bye bye. So one bona misu wakulu kutanga musai. Oh, I love you. Oh, I love you. Oh, I love you. Oh, I love you. Sini muga kanyonga so deep, but my love is real. And she could come manye how I feel. When no love is real. Sini muga kanyonga so deep, but my love is real. And she could come manye how I feel. When no love is real. Only among the few. Abamvuze moto kambude bwa kafyu. Inkwagala nagambye ne mafyu. Mafyu mujuwoli kazi ni one nephew. Girl, I love you like money. I love you like my mom. You're sweet.
Yeah. Alright, 부테레부 tuba tuyingidde.
은계가 너한테 준 네 아버지 탯줄 도장.
Kona akalira kitaka kitawu. Ngenke yakuwadde. Omanyine kikategeeza.
그거 말이야.
Obadde okimanyi?
그게 뭔지 알아?
Kikitegeeza.
무슨 뜻이야?
kunki kyotegeeza gwembuulira
은계가 그걸 너한테 왜 준 것 같아?
gongoza akinnyonge yakakuwadde
널 기쁘게 하려는 건 아닐 것 같고
nze mbuusabuusa mbu yadde akakusanyusa
너랑 하려고
ate mbuusabuusa nti yabadde agalamuddemu mu bbonge
분명 너한테 해가 될 물건이라
toŋŋamba nti tewakirowoozezaamu nti kino kiyinza owunzika kikulumezi
선심을 썼다
예? Bw'omuntu nga badde akulinako bukyayi ekisa kiyolesadde woni nkulabulaiko oyagala kutukyankalanya nze nenjonge
켜지 말고 돌아가.
siru naawe ojagala tomala buddewo tandi woni nze njagala siru
아버지 탯줄 도장으로
kati siru enkolere ki ng'ate erimu kalira ka kitaawo bw'oba olaba ebigenda kungasaaki
너한테 하는 얘기
bw'oyagala okumanya ebisingawo